Hello there, my YouTube people. I hope you're doing well today. This is Irene, and this is the Adroit Architecture YouTube channel. Welcome once again. Karibuni sana to this new video. If this is your first time watching our videos, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. If you've been with us before, thank you for your continued support. If you haven't subscribed, I kindly ask you to take a moment and hit that subscribe button. That is the best way that you can continue supporting us and allow us to continue bringing to you free content that is quality and that is helpful to you. Today we bring you yet another 3-bedroom bungalow home. We present to you the Plaza 3-bedroom bungalow. We have noticed that there is a lot of demand for bungalow house plans. This is because of the many advantages that bungalows have. So we are here to ensure that we bring to you enough unique and functional bungalow designs for you to choose. The main feature of this Plaza 3-bedroom bungalow is the courtyard, or the plaza as the name would suggest. The entire home revolves around the plaza courtyard, which is a great outdoor space for your family and of course for entertaining your guests. This bungalow design is also nice and compact and small, so you can build this home if you are on a tight budget or you're a first-time homeowner. It could also work very well as an upcountry home, or if you want to develop several units for an estate, this could work very well for you. Let's get into the floor plan setup. From the carport, where you can comfortably park 2 cars, you have straight access to the semi-enclosed entrance porch. The entrance porch extends into a nice covered front terrace. From the entrance porch, you come into the entrance lobby. This is a nice space to receive your guests. It helps you to filter your guests and only give access to those you wish to. You can set up the lobby nicely in your own style and to reflect your own desire. Right ahead from the entrance lobby, you have your living room, nice and spacious for all your furniture as well as adequate circulation space. The living room is oriented towards the fireplace, a good feature especially for those in cold environments. You have your dining area and your kitchen seated side by side in an open plan setup. This gives great ease of movement between the 2 spaces that work together. The kitchen has a cozy kitchen island that provides additional seating space that works very well together with the dining area. Right after the kitchen, you have a good-sized pantry for all your storage needs. A laundry room sits opposite your pantry, providing you with adequate space to set up all your laundry equipment. Back to the entrance lobby. On one side, you have your master bedroom, complete with a private master bathroom and a corner closet area. On the other side of the entrance lobby, you have 1 bedroom. This bedroom is sized for 1 occupant. You have a bathroom that is used by this bedroom, but it also doubles up as the guest bathroom. Bedroom 2 is located right next to the kitchen at the corner. This is an ensuite bedroom with its own private bathroom and is sized for 2 occupants. As stated earlier, you have a courtyard plaza as the main feature of this home. The entire house revolves around the courtyard, and you can access this courtyard either from the dining kitchen area or from the living room. The courtyard is your main outdoor seating area where a family can enjoy lovely moments, and it works great for entertaining your guests. So this house plan is perfect for someone who wants to enjoy the outdoors of their home, and the courtyard offers exactly that. Set up your barbecue area, your outdoor pizza oven, and finish it off with a cozy sitting area and you're all set. The Plaza 3-bedroom bungalow has a plinth dimension of 12.2 meters by 18 meters. This is what we call the footprint of the building. With this dimension, this plan is suitable for a 50 by 100 piece of land. That is an 1/8 acre piece of land. The total area of the Plaza 3-bedroom bungalow is 132 square meters. As of May 2023, the cost of construction for this home is approximately 4.4 million. We use the construction cost handbook to estimate the cost of construction. This is a handbook that is provided and updated every year by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. This is a good budget to have in mind, but always remember a lot of factors can affect the cost of construction. And that is the Plaza 3-bedroom bungalow. It features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a cozy entertainment area, that is the courtyard. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you're interested in this house plan or any other house plan, you can get in touch with us. We have provided our contact details below. Remember, we can customize this house plan or any other house plan to fit within your needs and budget. This is Irene. I'll see you in our next video.